Welcome back to the channel, and today I just wanted to give you a look inside of Air France's Premium Economy Amenity Kit. So here's the amenity kit they're giving out in Premium Economy. So you've got the bag there, you've got a bamboo toothbrush, some earplugs, you've got socks, an eye mask, and there you've got the toothpaste. So that is the contents of Air France's Premium Economy Amenity Kit. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.